Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us winning head coach, Coach Luigi Grillo. Coach, first off, just your thoughts on tonight's record victory.
Yeah, I mean, we started out well. I think the first quarter we were up a big lead. We didn't think that would happen, but I mean, you know, Raiders Shine's a tough team. You know, you looked at them in the third quarter, they won that quarter. It's not gonna be easy for us. You know, we weren't probably satisfied in the way that second half went. They kind of do well when they have those small lineups and they're physical, and they almost came back. So, you know, this game, we might have won this game, but there are a lot of things we have to clean up. Nokum at 17, he was getting to the basket. Mambuyak was getting to the basket. Their physicality is there. They were a bit off in the three-point line. They were 4 out of 33, that's 12%. So, you know, they might shoot better. But again, I mean, credit also to our guys. At least we got some things right in the first half that gave us that first half lead.
We have with us player of the game, Jansen Rios. Jansen, congrats. Masabi ko lang sa naging panalo namin today.
I think, una, I just want to thank for this win. Yun nga, sabi ng mga coaches namin, maging focus na nakin kasi mga quarter final kasi thank you kasi
Willing the floor for questions from the press.
Congratulations. Merry Christmas. First quarter, jump right at them. How was that? Considering the fourth quarter, Raiders slowly, yung
Yeah, like remember sa eliminations, ganun din nangyari, di ba? Naman kami ng 25 and then they won in overtime. But siguro that's a lesson for us also because we know how good this team has been doing the last league conference. They've been able to build a good team, and it's evident with the way they're playing. You know, they've been in the semifinals the last 3 times. This is not gonna come easy. You know, laking bunot kay Jansen. I can say this, some of our guys play a lot of good offense, but we need some of those guys who can play deep, right? And Jansen's one of those guys. He puts his heart out, always ready to play. And he came up big. He made the shots, got some steals. Really happy for him, the way he played today.
Coach, tingin nyo is big win ang momentum nasa Meralco ng Maynard.
Well, you know that they're not going to be happy on the other side with the way they played, right? They shot the ball 12%, 4 out of 33. You know, Raiders Shine has the most threes in the league. They live and die with that. They run that pace. But I think the thing that we're used to is we also have that type of pace. Marunong rin kami tumakbo, right? At this point, I don't think anybody really has the edge. You know, we're an experienced team. We've been here before. We've had to win back-to-back also in a series to move to the next round. But it's going to be a good one in that next game. And I think the nice thing is both teams are kind of healthy. You know, even Villegas is starting to play. So I'm sure they're going to go to the drawing board. But at this point, we need a lot of things to clean up. If we're going to play the way we did sa third quarter, nahirapan kami.
Jansen, alam natin naging coach mo si Coach Jake before sa NX. So, at least yung game mo ngayon, hindi mo dahil kapisado mo na yung tendencies ni Coach Jake sa double board.
hindi ko masabi. Siyempre, kumbaga, ilang taon na rin ako wala coaching. Pero the way si coach talaga kasi talagang makabuman ako. Siguro, thankful na kasi kami sa sabayan namin. Pero, yun nga, sabi nga ni coach, sa mga coaches namin, siyempre, quarter finals na ito, kailangan yung experience din namin. Kaya kailangan.
Bago rin yung o kita pa na bago
Hindi.
Good family man to. And first kids din yan. Sabi lang.
Coach, it's pretty interesting last few months for you. You said what would it mean to wait on Monday and get to the semifinals despite of the busy schedule?
Yeah, Coach Ned actually spoke to us about that in our year. It's been a lot of sacrifice for these guys. And it's also trials. We didn't start the ESL well. We didn't start yung PBA season namin well. So, it would mean a lot. It would mean a lot sa amin. Siyempre, ano rin yun, para masaya rin yung Christmas namin. We're playing also for this, right? So, it's not gonna be given easy. Sana, the guys come ready to play. We come ready to play also the knockout.
More questions? Thank you, Coach Rudy Vito and Pierre Domingue. That's it. Because by the score, 96-79, that was this time. Until Monday for the Spartan semifinals. Congratulations to both of them.
Thank you guys. Salamat. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.
Coach. Sorry. No.